As a concerned and suffering citizen, I've seen your video saying you want President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain president until 2030 because he is doing a great job. If doing a great job gives you green light to violate the constitution, then what about Robert Mugabe, who gave us land? Aitofanirwa kutoitaka king. Sadabina mashoko buda pangwa inanoka kunzi. Isaac Makomichi achireplya kuna Farai Marapira, the Director of Information and Publicity, achimuti pa recent video rauka release chitundukamiri wenyika ngaramba achitonga oda kuti ari kuita mabasa akanaka. Aiwa, he must dismiss those words and subscribe or like it on the bell icon. And Makomichi chiti, I'm not denying the fact that President ED has improved our country in some areas, including agriculture, roads, and infrastructure. But let's not forget, our economy is not in good shape. The health system is at its lowest ever, and the freedom of speech plus freedom after speech is not guaranteed. If citizens want him to continue, they must show it through a referendum. The constitution was voted for by millions of Zimbabweans. Now you wish to change it using members of parliament who are receiving huge cash and benefits while citizens suffer. I'm questioning your integrity here. This 2030 Machitonga slogan, Mono receive very well that it is making the president unpopular. Saka why kusavaudza kutya or you are benefiting from it? Good presidents are measured by their commitment to following the constitution. I have received many threats on my life after I started questioning this 2030 slogan, but I'm not against the president. I only want him to follow the constitution he swore to protect. Oh yeah, he was part of the people vakanyora saka kuzochinja kunovapa image ipi kupovo. If doing a great job gives the green light to violate the constitution, then what was Robert Mugabe supposed to do? Since he gave us land, formed ZANU-PF, and built the heroes, Eka, Koma generals, including VP Chwenga, who risked their lives to create the new dispensation by Zodi. Please read this letter carefully. I will be waiting for your reply. He was a suffering citizen Isaac Makomichi from Mashingo. Don't mashukwanunyoko na Makomichi anyura kwa kuna Farai Marapira. Na kumesisha medu za fungu ili mtu diba mzuri pichitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.